In this tutorial, we will be reviewing the sales pipeline as an administrator in Zendesk Sell. A sales pipeline is a visual illustration of how customers move through the sales process stages. From finding your product or service to making a purchase, it provides valuable insights into each deal, allowing your agents to track their progress, identify any gaps in their process, and form stages to hit their sales targets. To access your sales pipeline settings, go to the settings icon, find Customize, and then click Sales Pipelines. Here, you will break down your sales process into steps to make it easier to forecast and close a deal. Here, what you will see is the default settings in Sell. They include the active stages of incoming, qualified, quote, and closure. You will also see the close stages of won, unqualified, and lost. For more information on what these default stages mean, see the article linked here. While these stages follow a logical path forward towards closure, you are not required to follow them in a strict order. For example, you're free to move your deals between stages as needed to reflect sales process. A deal may go from the qualified stage directly to the won stage, skipping the stages in between. What we can do now, as an administrator, is create a new pipeline. Right-hand corner, click Add New Pipeline. I will then name the new pipeline, and then click Save. Here is where I can now make changes to the stages of my pipeline. So for prospecting, what I could do is change the name and then also change the likelihood of win percentage. And then click Save. I can go through my active stages and make the same changes to reflect what steps in my sales process are necessary. I can also do the same for naming the close stages. Then, once I've made changes to my new pipeline stages, I can also choose which users are able to utilize the pipeline. I also have the ability to add custom fields. What I can do after choosing users is add custom fields. What that means is that any custom fields added here will appear on the deal card associated with this sales pipeline. And that's it. For more information, see the articles linked throughout this video.